Reminisce on dangerous summers, was just a thug nigga working for drug dealers in neighborhood. Run about the age of 13, we was gunning, and it was fun to see the police running. Niggas disappear when we come and live. Nappy hair shorty, addicted to drinking 40. My niggas is naughty, and y'all niggas is fucking corny. But you left me in the summer of '89, a very good year. Crack cocaine sales rose.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Beamer-Fonz, and today I'm doing a video on how to set that gauge to show oil temperature instead of fuel economy, because we don't want fuel economy. We already have a gauge that does that, and it's in the little LED cluster there. And we don't have a temperature gauge, which we kind of need. So if you guys watched my other videos, I put in the description on 2 different videos the link for Mike's Easy BMW tools, and in there you have this guy. And for a lot of you guys, you've probably clicked it and nothing happens. What this guy is if you open it, it is a coding tool for specifically the body gateway module and the combi, which is the instrument cluster. So you got stuff like speedometer, cruise control, but what we're going to do is go to the consumption oil temperature. And if I turn my ignition, where's my key? If I turn my ignition on, and I go read from ECU, I'm gonna get this. Normally you guys, if it's your first time, it'll be on here, it'll be on consumption. You put it to oil temp, change this to 84. And then, so each increment here is what a quarter of the cluster will do. So at 0, it's 50 degrees. At quarter, it's 75. In the middle, it's 100. 3/4, it's 125. And if it's pegged at the 20 liters per 100 kilometers, that means that your car is running at 150 degrees, which is hot. And set this guy to 1810. But let me just show you, if I put this to, say, 88 degrees and click set, watch what happens. Look at that. So yeah, that is going to be very useful, because I like to know my engine's temperature. I'm sure a lot of you guys like to know your engine's temperature. But yeah, once you've set all that, you're going to click right to ECU. I've already done it, so I don't need to. And then you can close this. But like I said, for most of you guys, this won't open. So I'm going to show you. In order for, I'm going to turn off my ignition so my battery doesn't die. In order for that program to work, you need to go and download some Java script things. I'm not really too tech savvy with the computer, but I don't know how I even figured this out. But you're gonna need these 3 Javas. I don't know if you even need these 3. These are just the 3 that I ended up keeping, and I tried the program and it ended up working, and I was absolutely shocked. So yeah, download Java 8 update 441. I think that's, you know what, I'll put, I don't even know, Java 8 update 441 Java. Yeah, I'm not even sure. You guys are just gonna have to experiment and go by the versions here. But yeah, that's how I did it. And hopefully you guys can figure it out too. So I'm going to leave the link for Mike's AZ BMW tools, and I will include the Java links if I can find them, but I don't remember if I can, because I was kind of just downloading it random. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you guys can get this done on your car. Okay guys, so these are the files you need to download in order for the Perfekt Toolbox to work. If you do not have these two JavaScripts, these are developer programs, then it will not work. Hi Rusty. And the web address to get these, type this exactly into your browser, and then for one it's x64 dot, get out of here cat, exe, and then you hit enter. The first one will download. The second one is Rusty, stop. .exe. So put that at the end there, i586.exe, and then hit enter, and it will start downloading just like this. Then once you've got those, I'll show you what to do. Okay, once these finish downloading, you're going to open file. Go to your downloads instead and just double click it. And it will install. Next. Next. And once this finishes, I'll resume. Oh, unless it'll be quick. Okay, then you'll get this message. Close, then do the next one. Now, some people say you only need one of these, but I'm not sure. I have both of them, and that's how I got it to work, so I'm just going to keep both of them. Okay. Same thing. Okay, and once those both finish, you should see them in here. And there it is. So, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, because this took me a lot of time to figure out. Beamer-Fonz out. Peace. This is much better than that stupid useless fuel economy gauge.